Congratulations, class of 2017!
Each and every one of you is something very special. You are leaders.
Success in business and in life is best when it's shared.
In movie terms, when you started school, the country was an inspiring, uplifting drama. You're graduating into a tragic, dumbass comedy.
This past election cycle churned up some of the most ugly realities.
Can we be a nation that can disagree, but still find that common ground?
We have a level of wealth inequality that hurts everyone. We should explore ideas like universal basic income to make sure that everyone has a cushion to try new ideas.
You may have heard that things didn't exactly go the way I planned. But you know what? I'm doing okay. I won't lie, Chardonnay helped a little too.
Your work, your life, your weekdays, your weekends can all be filled with as much meaning as you dictate.
You will carry it with you. That capacity for finding strength in yourselves and building strength in the people around you.
The best decisions by the best leaders come from counsel and collaboration.
Having great shoes and a closet full of shoes or cars or houses or square footage doesn't fill up your life. It doesn't. But living a life of substance can.
I will always love you, class of 2017. And I will always love you. Thank you. Fight on.